Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing random bracelets. I don't know what I'm gonna come up with, but just know I'm gonna be doing random bracelets. Stay tuned, but make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. So I will be using what's in here, probably these right here, and this, not together but separate. I don't know yet. Just stay tuned and I will be back. These right here. Or maybe these. But I know this one probably, I don't know. But stay tuned. I will be using this thread right here. And of course my beaded needle. Because no, why not? But let's get started on it. And I'll show y'all what I got when I'm done with it. I don't know if I want to make, sorry, I don't know if I want to do spacers on this or what. But we're going to see. We're going to see. And I match it up like this. But I'll be back, so stay tuned. So I decided to use these spacers right here, the circle donut looking spacers. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up and yeah, get started. So it would probably be like 2 beads in a spacer. Yeah, that's what it's gonna be. 2 beads in a spacer. And whatever it come out to be, it'll be pretty, I know that, but I'm just, doing them. But how's y'all day today? Well, this morning. Mine's is going well. How about yours? Probably make 2 of these. I don't want to make 3. I'll probably make 2 of them. I don't know where that bead come from. Then what we're going to do is put it on the thing. And it's right at 7. So, yeah. But I'm sure when I put it around here, probably it's not going to be at 7 anymore. Probably going to be at something else. So let's see. It's not at 7. So what I'm going to do is, yep, right on. And then what I'm going to do is, well, I'm going to stretch it first. And then put it back around. Okay, and then I'm going to snip it. Don't play with me now. I could have kept that bead on there, but no. And then cut it. How was y'all week, period? See, perfect fit. It looks like. And this is like a rainbow looking color. Pink, blue, and clear white. So yeah. If y'all have any questions or anything y'all want to ask me, y'all can do so. I'll answer them. I won't bite, and I'm not that type of person to have attitude and all that. Well, I can be, but no. I think I got these beads at Hobby Lobby, I think. I'm thinking that's where I got these beads from. I'm not so sure. It's right at the 7. I'm going to take the string. Take the string and put it on here. I think this is much more better than putting it on with your fingers. I need to clip my fingernails, so let me see. Yep. I'm going to snip that. And I put the program on my computer so I can have more storage. So whenever I do download or I make videos, I can put it on my computer and put it on and put the clips and stuff on my computer so I can do it like that. That'd be my first time doing it. So hope it turns out right. I'm sure it's like on the phone, but still, you know. But here goes these bracelets. I only made 2 of them. And I'm going to start making my own beads. I have to because I didn't buy them molds for nothing. And I'm going to take y'all on a journey with me doing them. But I know the holes in the molding is real small. And I'm going to have to be careful when I'm doing them. So yeah, this is what I have right here. And I want to make some of these. So stay tuned. Wow. So now I'm going to go ahead and do these. I'm not going to put no, oh well, I don't know. I might, let me see. Yeah, I'm going to put spacers in between these. I'm going to do 3 beads. And then I'm going to use these silver spacers that looks like this. Because I have a bracelet already that I did with these beads. I did it with this one and the and the gray looking ones. So I remember doing them with that one. Gotta make sure my mic's still on because I want y'all to hear me. Let me see. There's one more. Make sure it's all the way around. It perfectly fits perfectly fine. And I'm gonna make 2 of these. Okay. I just say hold up where it's at. That's what I came up with right here. I'm gonna make another one, probably 2 beads and 1 spacer. So yeah, stay tuned. And I think these ones will be my last clips because I want to have storage so I can do more. Oops. Shoot. On the floor it went. That's alright. I'll get it. So stay tuned with the other one gonna look like, and I'll be back. And once again, the spacers came from Hobby Lobby, and these beads right here came from Hobby Lobby. If y'all want to go and get some like this, that's where they came from. So thought I had enough on here. Guess not. Let's see. Yep. This is what these are looking like. Cute. Next video I'm gonna do these colors, and I gotta see what the other one's gonna be. So I think I done did just about all of these. I might use some red and black together, or red and blue together. I don't know, or red and, I mean, bumblebee colors. I don't know yet. So yeah, this is the second bracelet right here. This is the first set of bracelets right here. Actually, no, I didn't get. I got these from TikTok. Where I got these from? Yes, and I got these from TikTok. Matter of fact, sorry, not from Hobby Lobby. TikTok. TikTok. Yes, I remember now. And then these from TikTok. These are TikTok, 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 TikTok. So these 10 mm beads. Yes, 10 beads. Bigger than the other ones. So yeah. This is the end of the video. So make sure you come back for another video. But make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. Bye.